Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crystal World Life. Today I'm going to do the nail polish swatches for shimmer shades. And first I have applied the StudioWest nail polish as a base color, that is cream AWPR01. And I'm trying, this is Mars from Mars nail polish 46 number, and the cost of this is 69. Is very budget friendly, and rest of the nail polishes are from Studio West and the cost is 99 rupees. So this one is from Studio West, Sparkle TL24. I really like this shade and it's really like cute color. So you can see I'm applying and it's looking so beautiful. So the next color which I'm applying, that is Shimmer M22. This is also from Studio West, budget friendly. It costs somewhere around 99 rupees, and you can apply on directly on the base coat transparent color or any other color, and it will enhance the beauty of the nail polish. And this one is Sparkle PR24. This is again budget friendly. The cost of this nail polish is 99 rupees, and this is also from Studio West. So this is one of my favorite glitter PR51. Again, this is also from Studio West, and this is also budget friendly, and it cost of this nail polish is 99 rupees. I hope you like this video. Please text me which shade you like the most, and please like and subscribe my channel, and wait till end. I'll be applying the double layer of all the colors, and after that you can see the look of nail polish. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and follow for more. So finally my nails are ready and it's shining, and you can see the look of my nail.